After years of tension between the Hyksos in the north and the rulers of Thebes in the south, the conflict finally reached a breaking point. One day, a message arrived from the Hyksos king, Apepi, addressed to the ruler of Thebes, Seqenenre Tao. The letter was an insult wrapped in authority. Apepi complained that the sacred hippos in Thebes were making too much noise, disturbing his sleep all the way in Avaris. A message designed not to solve a problem, but to humiliate Thebes and remind them of Hyksos domination. When Seqenenre Tao read the letter, something changed. This wasn't just an insult, it was a challenge, a direct attempt to break Thebes' spirit. So the king made his decision. He gathered his generals, rallied his soldiers, and began preparing for a war that would reshape Egypt. Seqenenre trained his army in new tactics, learning how to counter Hyksos chariots and composite bows. Then he marched north, the first true Egyptian counterattack against foreign rule. The first clash was fierce, but Seqenenre Tao won. For the first time in generations, the Hyksos were forced to recognize the authority and independence of Thebes. But this victory was only the beginning. More battles followed, brutal, desperate, and unending. The war dragged on, and Seqenenre Tao was always at the front, fighting side by side with his men. And we know how this ended. From the wounds on his mummy, deep cuts to the head and face, researchers today can say with confidence that Seqenenre Tao was one of the first kings in human history to die in battle defending his land, a warrior king to his last breath. But Egypt's story didn't end with his fall, because from behind him stood a queen as fearless as any pharaoh. Ahotep I, the warrior queen who continued the fight, united the army, and kept the flame of liberation burning. And that is the story we'll uncover in the next video.